Thank you. Okay, so we were saying that we were changing potassium and bromine, right? Or was it chlorine? Chlorine. So guys, how do we change potassium and chlorine to become two atoms as well in the product side? What do we need to add to the products? Write down the chemical formula in the chat. Write it down for me in the equation format, Christopher. I want Mo to try this as well. I want Lesego to try. Kian. Amma. All right. So if we put a 2 before KCl, right, guys, then everything changes. So let's tally it all up again, right? So now we have 2 potassium, 2 bromine, 2 chlorine. 2 times 1 is 2 potassium, right? 2 times 1 chlorine is 2 chlorine, and we're still stuck with 2 bromine, right? Now, am I balanced? Yes, well done. Okay, let's try putting all of this in a word equation, right? A word equation is when you take the chemical equation and write down the names of the compounds and elements. So, KBr, what is KBr? We're taking a metal and we're putting it next to a non-metal and we're naming it. We always name the metal first, then the non-metal, then we add IDE. And Michael, Kian, you good at this? Right, so we start with potassium, bromide, right? Plus, by the way, well done, Mo. Plus chlorine, right? Guys, when you're writing your word equation, if you don't put the arrow, you don't get the mark, right? The arrow tells me that it's a chemical reaction. And remember, an arrow doesn't mean the same thing as an equals to sign, but for the purpose of this, we'll put an equals to, which gives me potassium chloride plus bromine. Just moving that a bit. Bromine. Okay, guys. Okay, so I see that the time is up. For homework, what I want you guys to do for me is you're going to attempt all of these chemical equations, right? There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? And I need you to do it to practice. Even if you get it wrong, you still need to try. All right. It's like untangling a whole lot of earphones that are bundled together. I will add you to the NS group. Okay, and this is due tomorrow. So I'm going to end the chat and have an awesome day, guys. Oh, and we have another Zoom call at 2 o'clock. Yeah. I'll see you then.